Now we goes the last part of this chapter. That one is equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then here the same idea we draw in the graph. Okay, but some specialty for this graph, the graph is parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, for example, we need to draw the graph of x minus 2 is equal to 0. The equation in the form of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then how do we draw the graph? We know that for drawing the graph, at least two solution is needed, correct? We need to draw the graph. For that, how many solution needed? We need at least two solution, correct? Before to find out the solution, we checking here we have is the equation in the form of a standard. Here we have the terms with x and y and a constant. No, correct. This one is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we not have the term containing the variable y. We know what is the general form, the standard form of a linear equation. That one is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But here we not have the term with the y. So for explaining the idea, I will first converting the equation in the form of standard. Okay, then how to write x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0. How do we convert in the form of standard? Here we not have the term with the y, so we adding there x plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0, correct? X plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then now we got it the equation in the form of standard. Then after we trying to find the solutions of this equation. How many solutions we needed? At least two solutions, correct? The next, how do we find the solutions? Let y is equal to 1. Okay, just suppose let y is equal to 1. What is the value of x? How to find? Therefore x plus 0 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, correct? Then x plus 0 into 1. What is 0 into 1? 0 into 1 is 0. 0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2? 0 minus 2 is minus 2. X plus 0 minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x. 0 minus 2 minus 2. That is x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 2. Correct? 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. We transpose minus 2 in the side of 0. Then 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So the solution is 2, 1. 2, 1. Next we choose let y value is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. What is the changes? Therefore x plus 0 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x plus, what is 0 into 3? 0 into 3 is 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x 0 minus 2 is minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 2, correct? 0 plus 2 is 2. So the solution is 2, 3. Then here we find the two solutions. As like is possible to find many solutions, correct? But what we see here in these two solutions? We choose the different value for y, correct? We choose the different value for y, but the x value is same. We got it in all the cases. അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് മക്കളെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുന്നത്? ഈ രണ്ട് കേസിലും നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ വൈക്ക് എടുത്ത വാല്യൂസ് വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? y ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1, y ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 3. പക്ഷേ അവിടെ രണ്ട് സമയത്തും നമുക്ക് എക്സിന് കിട്ടിയ വാല്യൂ എത്ര തന്നെയാണ്? x ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 അല്ലേ? രണ്ട് സ്ഥലത്തും x ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 ആണ്. Suppose you will think, if we choose the value of x as different, that time change the y value, that time also we get the y value, correct? So why I not choose the x value here? Because if I choose the value of x, let x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1, suppose x is equal to 1, how to change the equation? 1 plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 2, what is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 0y is equal to 0. Then 0y is equal to, we transpose minus 1 this side, then what is the changes? Yes, it's adding, then 0 minus minus 1. Correct? We adding the minus 1 with the 0y. So in the time of transpose, what we get? 0y is equal to 0 minus minus y is equal to 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? Is divide a number by 0. What we get? Up to now is not defined the value of a number if divided by 0. Correct? എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? എന്താണ് മക്കളെ? നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പറിനെ 0 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. So we don't know what is the answer of 1 by 0. It's not 0. 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 is not 0, is not defined. So if we choose as like any value for x, it's not possible to find the value of y. Okay, that is why we not choose the value of x here, we choosing the value of y only. Okay, so what is next? We got the idea. If we choose any value for y, what happened? Is not affect the value of x. The value of x is same in all the cases. If we change again the value of y, what we get the value of x? The value of x is remain same, that we get always 2. Okay, so we not doing this type of equation like this. For to draw this type of equation, what is the next step? We get the equation x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we just transpose minus 2 in the side of 0, the minus 2 in the RHS part. Then what will happen here? X is equal to 0 plus 2, correct? 0 plus 2, then is equal to 2. Then now we got the equation in the form x is equal to 2. Okay, we convert the equation in the form x is equal to 2. The equation in the form of x is equal to 2 is means if we choose any value for y, the x value never change, the value of x is always 2. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വൈക്ക് ഏത് വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്താലും മക്കളെ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോമിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വൈക്ക് ഏത് വാല്യൂ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും എക്സ് വാല്യൂ സെയിം തന്നെയാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി അല്ലേ? എക്സ് വാല്യൂ ചൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ ഏതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റൂല എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായി, വൈ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായി. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഇഫ് യു ഗോട്ട് ദ ഇക്വേഷൻ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്, വി നോട്ട് ഡു ദിസ് ലൈക്ക് സ്റ്റെപ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, we not follow this much steps. Then how to we write? We just convert x minus 2 as like this, x is equal to 2. Okay, അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ കിട്ടിയാൽ നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പും ചെയ്യില്ല. നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? നമ്മൾ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ടു കൺവേർട്ട് എക്സ് മൈനസ് 2 ആസ് ഇൻ ദ ഫോം ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു, എക്സ് മൈനസ് 2നെ നമ്മൾ ഏതിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യും? എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഫോമിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താ? ഇസ് മീൻസ് ഓൺലി ദിസ് മച്ച്, ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈസ് 2 ഓൾവേസ് ഇഫ് യു ചൂസ് എനി വാല്യൂ ഫോർ വൈ. വൈക്ക് ഏത് വാല്യൂ ചൂസ് ചെയ്താലും എക്സ് വാല്യൂവിൽ എന്ത് വരുന്നില്ല? വ്യത്യാസം വരുന്നില്ല. സോ ദ എക്സ് വാല്യൂ ഈസ് സെയിം. ദെൻ ഹൗ ടു വി റൈറ്റ് ദ സൊല്യൂഷൻ? എക്സ് ഹിയർ വൈ, ദെൻ എക്സ് വാല്യൂ ഈസ് സെയിം ഇൻ ഓൾ ദ കേസസ്. ഓക്കെ, എക്സ് വാല്യൂ, what is the x value? 2 2 2, and y value will change. 2, 0, 1, 2 or 3, 4 like this. We choose any value for y. We choose any value for y, but is not change here, is not change the value of x. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള വാല്യൂ ഏതിന് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം, വൈക്ക് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. പക്ഷേ ഏത് വാല്യൂവിൽ മാത്രം മാറ്റമില്ല, എക്സ് വാല്യൂവിൽ മാത്രം മാറ്റമില്ല. എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2. Clear? Then how to we write? Then we draw the graph like this. Then after make the x-axis and y-axis, then we just mark the point. The first coordinate is 2, 0. 2, 0 means the coordinate is lies on the x-axis. 2, 0. Correct? Then this point is 2, 0. Then second point is 2, 1. 2, 1 is lie here. Correct? 2, 1. Point is 2, 1. Then third coordinate is not necessary. Third coordinate is 2, 2. Next, for to draw the graph, we join the points. Just write the equation. That equation is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Both are correct. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Then what we got it here? If the equation in the form x is equal to 2, the graph is parallel to y-axis. Correct? The graph is in the form, the equation in the form x is equal to 2, the graph is parallel to y-axis. The equation is given is getting in the form x is equal to a number. X is equal to a number form. That graph is parallel like this y-axis. Okay? പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും എന്താണ് നമുക്ക് ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തരുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ഫോം ഈസ് ഗിവൺ ഡയറക്ട്ലി ഓർ ഈസ് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ഇൻ ദ ടൈം ഓഫ് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് കൺവേർട്ടിംഗ് ടൈം we get the equation like this: x is equal to a number form, x is equal to a form. Okay, x is equal to a form, the graph is parallel to y-axis. The equation in the form of x is equal to a, the graph is parallel to like this y-axis. Clear? Next we doing the first example like this. The question is, give the geometric representation of y is equal to minus 5 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. Okay, in one variable means we need to represent the value y is equal to minus 5 on a number line. Okay, in one variable, what is it meaning one variable? Just represent y is equal to minus 5 on a number line. Or the second, in two variable. In two variable means we need to represent in a Cartesian plane. We need to represent on a graph. Okay, Cartesian plane or a graph. It's an easy one. What is an equation is given? The equation is given y is equal to minus 5. Is directly given in the form of y is equal to a number form. Correct? Y is equal to a number form. Is given is directly in the form of y is equal to a number form or x is equal to a number form. What is it meaning? It means the y value is fixed. What is the y value? If y value is minus 5, if we choose any value for x. Okay, if we choose any value for x, what is the y value? Y value is never change. What is the y value? Y value is minus 5. Okay, so how do we write the solutions? We write the solution in the second. First we are representing the first one. Okay, the first one need to represent y is equal to minus 5 on a number line. Y is equal to minus 5 on a number line means we need to draw a number line and represent on it. Okay, then is a y is equal to value, then we have the two opportunity there. Then we draw the number line like this or like this, because y axis we are representing the vertically. Correct? Or if you draw it says the horizontally also is not a wrong. Okay, now I am representing by horizontally, then just draw the number line and 0. Then after we construct first a number line and we mark the numbers negative and positive numbers. Then what is our number? We need to represent y is equal to minus 5 on a number line. Correct? On one variable. In one variable means on number line. So this one is minus 5. Just marking. We just put an arrow mark. Okay, we just put an arrow mark. Y is equal to minus 5. don't forget to write y is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5 like this. Okay, marking, and we put an arrow mark, y is equal to minus 5. Put an arrow mark. This one is the representation of y is equal to minus 5. For showing that one, we just put an arrow mark, y is equal to minus 5. Okay, if you draw the y axis like this and marking the numbers minus 5 there, just write there y is equal to minus 5. Is anyway you just mark the y is what is the representation we showing there. Okay, then the second one, in two variable means we need to draw the graph. For drawing the graph, we know that we needed at least how many solution? Two solution. For writing the solution, in these cases we make a column like this or a coordinate form. Okay, x value, y value. We know in all the cases what is the value of y? Y value is never changed. The y value is minus 5. Okay, y value is minus 5. So we fixing first the minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Then choose any value for x what did you like. Okay, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഏത് വാല്യൂ നമുക്ക് ഏതിന് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം? X ന് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. I choosing here the value of x as 1 and 3. So our first coordinate is 1 minus 5 and the second coordinate is 3 minus 5. Okay, so we are drawing the graph 5. Okay, then first one is 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 means here minus 5. Coordinate is 1 minus 5. Then second coordinate is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. X coordinate is 3 and minus 5. Yes, here am I right? 3 minus 5. Join the graph. Then we join the point. Then what we get? Equation y is equal to minus 5. So now is very clear. The graph is parallel to x-axis. Correct? The graph is parallel to x-axis. The last example we got it, the graph is parallel to y-axis. Now we got it, the graph is parallel to x-axis. When is happen? If the graph in the form of x is equal to a number form. X is equal to a form, that we got in the last example, correct? If we got the x is equal to a form, the graph is parallel to y-axis. If we got the graph is y is equal to a number form, y is equal to a form, the graph is parallel to this y is equal to a form, the graph is parallel to x. In the form of x is equal to a form, the graph is parallel to y. X is equal to a number form ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഗ്രാഫ് എപ്പോഴും ഏതിന് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും? yക്ക് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും. Equation is get in the form of x. Equation നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് y is equal to a number. Y is equal to number ഫോമിലാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഗ്രാഫ് എപ്പോഴും ഏതിന് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും? xന് പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, this idea is very important. I think you got it. We go to our next question. The question is like this. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line on the Cartesian plane. Okay, then here is very clear, the equation is not given in the form of x is equal to a form or y is equal to a form, correct? The equation is given like this, 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and is already given to solve. Find the value of x or y because the variable we using here x. Okay, so to convert this type of equation in the form of x is equal to form, because here we use the variable x. If we use the variable y to convert the equation in the form of y is equal to form. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് x variable ആയതുകൊണ്ട് x is equal to ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം. ഇനി ഇക്വേഷനിൽ ഉള്ളത് y വാല്യൂ ആണെങ്കിൽ y is equal to ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം. Okay, then we started like this. We know the how to represent on the number line and how to represent on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means represent on the graph. Okay, two variable representing a two variable. Then first we are writing the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. We know how to solve this, correct? How to? We take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. We transpose variables one side and numbers on the other side. I transposing x from RHS to LHS. Why? Because 2x is bigger. If I transpose x from RHS to LHS, I need to transpose 1 to the side of minus 3, means RHS side, correct? So we doing together, then 2x yes minus x is equal, what is remaining here? Minus 3 minus 1. Okay, then 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Now we got it, the equation is the form of x is equal to minus 4. That is x is equal to a form, correct? X is equal to a form now is very clear. The graph of this equation is, yes, parallel to y axis. This one in the form of x is equal to a form. So the graph is parallel to y axis. X is equal to a formula, x is equal to number formula. The graph parallel to the y axis, parallel to the y axis. Okay, then we are representing the first one. First one we know how to represent. Just draw the graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Then it's very clear what is the number. X is equal to minus 4. Then x is equal to minus 4 means this one, correct? We just writing as x is equal to minus 4. This one is representing x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Then we need to draw the graph of second. For that we need to get the solutions. In that solutions, what is given is very clear. The value of x never change. The value of x is always minus 4. So we fix the value of x is equal to minus 4 and we choose any two value for y. Then here I choosing the value of y as 0 and the value of y as of 0 and 3. So the solution minus 4 0 and minus 4 3. Then we drawing the graph. Okay, after marking the x and y axis, we marking the coordinate. The first coordinate is minus 4 0 means x coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is 0. Then the point is here minus 4 0. So we just writing minus 4 0. Then what is our second coordinate? Second coordinate is minus 4 3. Minus 4 3 means, yes, correct, minus 4 3. Then minus 4 3. Then what is next? We just join the points with the equation. The equation is x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. So is very clear, the graph is parallel to y axis, correct? Parallel to y axis. So don't forget the idea. What is that? If the equation in the form of x is equal to a, graph is parallel to y axis. The equation in the form y is equal to a, the graph is parallel to x axis. Okay, what is that? The equation in the form x is equal to a, the graph is parallel to y axis. The equation in the form y is equal to a, the graph is parallel to x axis. Clear? This is an idea we studying here, and I think you got it, how to represent the given equation in the form of on a number line in one variable, and how to represent the given equation in two variable or in a Cartesian plane or in a graph.